family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into my June tray. Welcome to June. Honey, it's my birthday month. Did you know it is my birthday? My birthday month. It's my birthday month. Yes, it is my birthday month, the month of June. So I decided, hey, my theme had to be all these purple bottles. Now, I thought I had a lot, but honey, I had to incorporate some body sprays in here so that we can have something to talk about. So let's get into it. Let's get into what's on my tray for the month of June. First off, I had to put, even though this is iridescent, okay, to me this looks a little purple, okay? So I had to start with Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar 42. I mean, this is such a beautiful, beautiful vanilla fragrance. Honey, it's the newest of Kayali's line. We have vanilla pear, we have some marshmallow, rum, bubble gum, and the bubble gum really bubble gums up in here. We have sugar, we have all types of things. I can't wait to continue to wear this juice. It's gonna be amazing for my birthday month. I just can't wait. Next up, we have Indigo. And I know what you're saying, sis, it's not purple bottle. Honey, it's purple to me. Them flowers look purple. Tell me them flowers don't look purple. They look purple. Indigo is one of the most beautiful spa-like aromatic type of scent. It is so beautiful, fam. I don't know if you've ever heard of Ness having fragrances, but they do. So Indigo is your fruity, your aromatic, your fresh, your musky. There's some sweetness. Don't be scared of the green note. It does have tea in this. So this is one of the very few tea fragrances that I absolutely adore. It has fig in it, has bergamot, cashmere wood. It's so good. Can't wait to get in it. All right, honey, I had to throw in Zara. I have some purple bottles in the Zara land. We have Crispy Gardenia, which gives you this white floral scent. I'm excited to wear. I also threw on in that same line has the Bright Gardenia. Okay, and that is again from Zara. And then back here in the back, we have tuberose. Now, this is winter, okay? These fragrances are no stranger in the Zara collection. These are some of the foundation, to me, I'll call them like foundation fragrances that they continue to like revamp, redo, maybe add a note here, take a note away, maybe add some more to this, add some more to that. But I absolutely love Zara fragrances. You can pair them, you can wear them alone. They're very easy reach. They are lovely. I also have this beauty right here. This is a warm floral. It's called Violet Blossom. Ooh, baby, that fragrance is amazing. If you're looking for a warm floral fragrance, highly would recommend. So those are my Zaras that I threw on here. Then I had to throw, okay, honey, Sol de Janeiro 59. Honey, that gives me purple. And I had to throw another body spray that gives me candy all day. Is Confetti Daydream. This is the Fine Fragrant Mist by Bath and Body Works. I absolutely love that candy-like scent. It is amazing. Actually, let me see It has your fresh raspberry, sparkling pear. See, this is why I like it. Sparkling pear and blue iris. See, I knew it was pear in there. Anytime there is pear, I'm like, yep, that's why I like you so much. It's so easy. Next one that I was talking to my sis about, she hasn't reached for hers either. And we were both talking about how we haven't reached for this beauty right here. This is from House of Sillage. This is Minnie Mouse. This is the limited edition from the 100th anniversary of Minnie Mouse. Me and my sis were talking about, we have not worn this. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to do a purple tray so that I can wear this, okay? So this has your apple, your orange lemon. We have some violet. We have some strawberry, musk, sandalwood, lily of the valley, orange blossom. It is so good. I don't know why I have not reached for it, but I'm going to really make an effort to reach for it. This tray, it is different than the original Minnie Mouse, but it's still good. It's just that violet note does a little bit more than, you know, because the Minnie Mouse is very cupcakey, very gourmand. I mean, this has a sense of gourmand, but it's really on the heavy gourmand, the original House of Sillage Minnie Mouse cupcake. But this one, it will be perfect for spring, summer, and I'm so excited that I am going to wear it, okay? Next up on my tray, I have this beauty. This is probably one of the purchases that I got exactly because the bottle was purple, okay? The scent is good, but the bottle was purple. And this is Versace. This is Dylan Purple. I love this. I can't wait to jam with it in this month. I think we just gonna be really close friends. I mean, I can see it now. I can see it being on my top 5. You know, maybe. It may, you know, reach that moment of top 5. But we'll see. We'll see how that does. Next up, we have True Saudi, and this is Sound of Donna. Now, I will say, normally I wear this fragrance in the fall, right? Because it has this almond, it has this chestnut, it has tuberose, it has magnolia, so it has floral, it has some woody, some sandalwood. But I am going to put it on my tray. One, the bottle is purple, but also it has a whipped cream note in it. And I absolutely love it. I think it's going to be playful in the spring. I just don't know how it's going to do in the summer. However, it don't even matter. My next bottle, we have Angel Ice Star. Now, I know what you saying, sis. That bottle ain't purple. I mean, it got purple in it, but it ain't purple. Well, if it got purple in it, I'm going to count it as purple, okay? But this is your pineapple cocktail type of scent. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I'm going to put that tropical beauty on my tray. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, another one that I normally would wear in the winter season, and we have My Way, okay? Now, I have not gotten to wear this a lot, so I'm excited to put this on my tray. And normally I would save that for like fall season, but I'm going to see how she does in the heat. You know, as we're warming up, I really would like to see kind of how these fragrances do in a different season, because maybe it's going to be team too much, but I have to find out if it's team too much. Another one that might be team too much, and I know you're like, girl, I don't know why you got that on your tray, but Cavort, look at that. It's a purple plated fragrance from Fragrance Du Bois. Again, this is very heavy. Winter scent is very heavy, but I want to see if I spray lighter, would I be turned off still in the heat? I want to play. I don't want to be, the norm and just go with the normal fruity floral. I want to try to see what we can do. I want to test it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But hey, I'm here and my tray is here to test the things and see if it do what it need to do and it doing and done. Okay? Done. Next on my tray, I have Lalique, and this is Amethyst. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. The picture on this, I don't know if you all can see, but it's like a blackberry type of picture on this, and that's exactly what this is. It's very fruity, floral. You have some woody notes in here, some vanilla, some peony. We have some blackberry, like I said, blueberry, strawberry, like all the berries are in this. I think there's also like black currant in this. So you have all the berries and more. And then it goes to like the florals. And then there's this pepper note in here that gives it this spice. And then we go to the musk and the woody and the vanilla. I absolutely love this. I'm going to see how it wears in the month of June. I really can't wait to see what I'm going to be wearing more in the month of June from this tray. Ooh, so exciting. A purple tray. Everything. What do you all think? Oh my goodness. Okay. And last but certainly not least, honey, this takes me back. If you're not new to this channel, this takes me back to what I was wearing in high school, okay? This is a celebrity fragrance. This is from Mariah Carey, and this is Lollipop Bling, okay? She is so pretty. Oh my goodness, this is very much discontinued. I got this on Mercari, like a random search. Randomly somebody had it. I thought it was going to be a bigger bottle, but either way, I got it for just nostalgia purposes. And so I love that I am putting it on my tray for this month, just taking me back, just reflecting on, where I was, just throughout life, where I've been, and where I am today. I'm so thankful to just see another month. I'm so thankful for all the opportunities, all the things that are, in my view and not in my view. I'm celebrating even now. So I love it. I love that God has blessed me to see another month. I have lost some friends over past year, some months. Like, I have lost people that have been close to me, and just to know that I am going to see another age and just, I'm just grateful, y'all. I'm just so grateful. I'm grateful for you all. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for the support. Thank you. Thank you so much for loving me. I've met some beautiful women and men and family that I will cherish. You all, thank you so much for riding with me. I know I don't have a major and big channel at this point in time. You never know. But I am so excited for the support. I'm excited for the growth. I'm new to this. I'm trying my best, and I just hope that, that you just love me for me and my personality and my random thoughts and my random reviews. But I hope that you find comfort and laugh and joy in my videos. And again, thank you so much for the birthday wishes. Thank you for just rocking with me. I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. 10 out of 10, you all just made me so happy. I smile. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get emotional. Okay, let me stop. Okay. Make sure you subscribe, Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to know what is on your tray for this beautiful Gemini month of June, okay? Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.